Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio F84W. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Actually, the module on this model is the same as F91W, module 593. So if you're already familiar with the F91W, then I'm sure it's not difficult to try by yourself. Anyway, let's start the tutorial, and there are 3 buttons. The light button on the top left is for operating the backlight like this, okay, and yes, the backlight is a bit weak. And then the next button is the mode button on the lower left. This one we use to change the mode, so this one is the timekeeping mode, and then this one is the alarm, and then stopwatch, and then this one is the adjustment mode, and then back to the timekeeping mode, okay. And then the next one is the right button. This one we can use to change the time format, so this one is the 12-hour format, and you can change to become the 24-hour format. Okay, next, if you want, also vice versa, sorry. Okay, next, if you want to do the LCD check, easy, just press all the 3 buttons. And the trick is to press the light button a bit earlier and then the other 2 after that. And we get this LCD check screen, and you can check if the segments are okay. Next, we can press any button, but I will press this one, the light button. Okay, and next, Casio check. To do that, press and hold the right button, this one. And it should show the word Casio on the display. Okay, but that one will also change the time format, so this one is 12-hour format, and I want to return to 24-hour format, and to do that, press once on the right button. Okay, now let's set the time, date, and so on, and to do that, press the mode button, 1, 2, 3, and now we are in the setting mode, or the adjustment mode. And first we can set the second, reset the second using the right button, and if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the right button, and we are setting the hour. For this one, you can use the right button to increase the number. So yes, if it's already passing the number that you want, then you can just press and hold, and then press one by one. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, yes, 21 now. And then next, press the right button, and we can set the minute. So the same thing, use the right button to change the number. And let me set back to 47. Okay, now one by one. 47, okay, and then press the right button, and now we set the month. Also the same button, the right button to increase the number. So let me set back to 6. Okay, and then press again the right button, and now we are setting the date. Also the same button, the right button to increase the number. And if it's passing, then you can press and hold, and then press one by one until you get the number that you want. And then press again the right button, and now we are setting the day. Also the same button, the right button to move or to change the value. So let me set to Tuesday, and then if you press again the right button, we're back to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the settings, you can press the mode button, and we're back to the timekeeping mode. To get to the alarm mode from the timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, and now AL, alarm. And let's set the alarm time. Let's say I want to set as 5:15 in the morning, and to do that, press the light button. So now the hour is flashing or blinking, and then we can use the right button to change the number. So let me set as 5, okay. And then press again the right button, and now we are setting the minute. So the same button, the right button to change the number or the value. So let me set as 15. Okay, and then if you press again the right button, then yes, finished for the time setting for the alarm. And then yes, from this view or from this menu, you can select which feature is active or which features are active. So this one meaning that the alarm is active. The icon is on the top left. And then you can press this one, the right button, to change the option. So this one meaning that the signal is active, meaning that you will get a beeping sound every changing of the hour, like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and so on. And if you press again, now both are active for the alarm and also the hourly signal. And if you press again, both are not active. So let me just set both as active now. And yes, we have set the alarm 5:15, alarm active, and also the hourly signal. But if you want to silence the alarm and signal on your watch, then you can just press and make sure there are no icons on the top left of the display. Okay, and yes, one more thing for the alarm, you can also do alarm sound check. And yes, from this view you can press and hold the right button, this one, and it should give this beeping sound. Okay, and it will change the option for the feature that is active. So let me just press 1, 2, and now back to the setting with both alarm and also hourly signal active. Okay, that's all for the alarm. Let's move on to the next mode, the stopwatch. And yes, back to the timekeeping mode, and then 1, 2. Now for the stopwatch, there are actually 3 methods to use the stopwatch, but I will show you 2 of the most used ones. So the first one is start stop. Simple, just use the right button to start, and then pause, and then continue, and then pause or stop, and then continue, and then pause or stop, and so on. Okay, and after stop you can reset using the right button like that. Okay, the next one is for split time. Press the right button to start like this, and then use the right button to get split time like this. Okay, so now we get the split time and the time is still running in the background. If you want to unfreeze the display and get to see the running time, then press again the right button and it will jump to the time that is running in the background. Okay, now press again if you want to get another split time, and again to continue. Okay, and if you want to pause or stop, use the right button, this one, and if you want to reset, use the right button. Okay, and now press the mode button and we're back to the timekeeping mode. And yes, that's all for the setting and operation of this watch, Casio F84W. If you have any question or if you have something to add, then put in the comment below. It will be very helpful for me and also for the other viewers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.